Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today what we'll be doing is that we're making out a notification reminder app. So let me get started with that. So first of all, what I'm just gonna do here is that I'm gonna import out the time module, right? I would just write import time. Fine. So basically after that we have a library that is Pla. So that is a library which is used for making out this notification. So open out the terminal and just write here pip install plier. So I have already done that thing. So I will just close it out here. So you just install out this library. Okay. After that I would come on to the new line and here basically I would just write from plier import notification. Okay, from that import notification. Right, now after this what I'm just going to do here is that I'm just going to set out a condition, that is main condition. Okay, that is that is main, right? Like this. Okay, if name is equal to main, and inside this I'm just going to set out a loop that is while true. Fine, while true means that whatever I'm just going to write inside this, that is actually true and that will at all execute. Fine. Now I'm just going to use out my notification model which I have imported and put out a dot and write here notify notification.notify. Put out the bracket and come down. Now what title do I just want to give onto this particular notification? Let's say the title which I just want to give out here is let's say take class. Let's say this is the okay. Put out a comma now. What message I just want to display with this particular title which we actually have. So the message which I just want to display, let's say that is I have to take a Python workshop. I have to take a Python workshop. Okay. After that, I will just put out a comma. Right, these are the two things which I just want to give out to you, the title and the message. And after that basically what do I have? After this I have even, okay, let's do one thing. After this I have one parameter that is time out. Okay, now what, like basically how much time I just want this to stay onto my screen. Let's say that is 10 seconds for me. Okay, I've just put on that time. Coming outside my bracket, I would just use out the sleep function, and inside that I would just put out some time here. Okay, so I would just write here, not directly see, that is time dot sleep. Okay, and into the bracket I'll be putting out some seconds, that after this much particular interval just show me out this notification. So let's say I just put out here as 15. So what will actually do, it will actually after each and every 15 seconds it will print me this title and the message, and it will stay onto the window for 10 seconds. Then again after 15 seconds it will show me that thing. Let me just do out a quick thing here. Let me just quickly run out this program. So click on run. And yes, now basically just have a look that my notification came, take a class, I have to take a Python workshop. Okay, now it will automatically go away from here. Now after 15 seconds this will again come onto my screen. It will stay for 10 seconds and then it will automatically again go. Just have a look, now it has again came and this notification will again go out from here, right? Let me just close it out from here. So from here I will just terminate it out, right? So hope you just got the idea that how you can make out. So I just imported out the time module. Then from my plier module I imported notification, and then I just made out my main function. Put it out my condition, that is while true. Then notification.notify, notify my function that I'm using. Put out my title, put out my message, and put out my timeout, and simply I just took out that after how much time interval I just want to give it. Now these both are actually in the seconds. If you just want to take it in the minutes, you just need to multiply it by 60. Okay, so hope you just got the idea that how you can just make out this notification reminder app, right? So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.